a concise roundup of the key general knowledge and current affairs curated for competitive exams. 1. Defense and internal security. India-Brazil aviation milestone. Adani Defence and Aerospace signed a landmark agreement with Brazil's Embraer to set up a final assembly line (FAL) for E-175 commercial jets in India. This is the first facility of its kind for modern commercial aircraft in India, aligning with the Atmanirbhar Bharat, Self-Reliant India initiative. Naval Air Defense. Iran successfully tested the Sayyad 3G, a naval version of its surface-to-air missile system, featuring 360-degree coverage and vertical launch system (VLS) capabilities. Quantum Defense Contract. IonQ was awarded a spot on the $151 billion SHIELD IDIQ contract by the U.S. Missile Defense Agency to provide quantum computing and sensing for missile defense. Hypersonic propulsion. L3Harris announced a breakthrough in powder-in, engine-out manufacturing using additive manufacturing, 3D printing, to reduce the production time of hypersonic scramjet engines by 10 times. 2. Science and technology. Universal nasal vaccine. Researchers at Stanford Medicine unveiled a universal nasal spray vaccine designed to protect against COVID-19, flu, and pneumonia simultaneously. Alzheimer's prediction. A new blood test measuring the p-tau217 protein was announced, capable of forecasting the onset of Alzheimer's symptoms 3 to 4 years before memory loss occurs. Quantum physics. Theoretical physicist Andrzej Buras, Technical University of Munich, published research suggesting that the universe's secrets, the Zepto universe, can be found through ultra-rare particle decays, specifically kaon decays, rather than waiting for next-generation colliders like the FCC in 2070. Biodegradable innovation. Scientists successfully created a new type of plastic that vanishes in seawater within just a few hours, aiming to solve the massive ocean microplastic crisis. 3. Species discovery and biodiversity. New plant species. Telangana. Scientists from the Botanical Survey of India (BSI) discovered Dicliptera pakhalitsa in the Pakhal Wildlife Sanctuary. It belongs to the Acanthaceae family and is currently only found in this specific locality. Scientists identified 2 new species of polychaetes, marine worms, while studying the ecosystem of the Bay of Bengal near the coasts of Odisha and West Bengal. Their names are: 1. Namalicastes solenotognatha. B. Nereis dhritiae. This discovery was primarily made by researchers under the guidance and leadership of Dr. Dhriti Banerjee, Director of the Zoological Survey of India (ZSI), in the northwestern part of the Bay of Bengal. The official confirmation and details of this discovery were prominently shared on February 25, 2026. More than 300 species of polychaetes have been found along our coasts to date. More than 10,000 species of these exist in oceans across the world. Kerala's new pistol shrimp. Date: February 25, 2026. Did you know that a creature has been found in the backwaters of Kerala that can make a bullet-like sound underwater? Recently, a new species of shrimp named Alpheus madhusudani was discovered in the Kochi backwaters. It is called snapping shrimp or pistol shrimp. This is the first alphide shrimp recorded from an estuary in this region. Statistical data. India. More than 350 species of shrimp are found in the coastal areas of India, of which the coast of Kerala is a major hub of biodiversity. World. Approximately 600 species of the Alpheus family exist worldwide, known for their unique sound and hunting methods. These discoveries of nature tell us that our rivers and seas are full of mysteries. Arunachal Pradesh became India's 24th state to establish a greenfield airport with the opening of its first such facility in Hollongi. Since its inception, India's Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center (I4C) has successfully prevented the theft of over 8,031 crore rupees by cybercriminals. Global deaths from measles have plummeted by 88% since 2000, thanks to improved vaccination efforts worldwide. India's total defense budget for the 2025-26 fiscal year is estimated at 6.81 lakh rupees crore, with 1.80 lakh rupees crore, approximately 26%, allocated as capital expenditure for new weapons and technology. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to like and share this video with others. Thank you for watching.